Finally, my brother's born.
You have to share a room with him.
Okay. As you can see, Jari. Is that Jari okay though?
Yeah, he's okay. Look.
You're a big brother now?
And Jari.
Yeah. I see him, yeah, I'm not missing. Ain't so quiet.
Well, he's here. He's actually here.
Yeah, he is. So the wait is finally over, and your mom is good too. He's strong. Yeah, push your hand on you. Hold on it, Jamie.
So Jam, how does it feel to be a big brother now? Come here! Come in the camera. Stop! Right there! Stop moving! How's it?
It just feels good.
That you're a big brother now?
Yes. I feel so excited.
Turn that off and pay attention.
Okay, I'm just too focused in the games. But finally, my brother's born.
You have to share a room with him.
Yeah, that's okay. That's okay. That's okay.
That's okay?
Yes, that's okay.
And you have to share a bed with him too.
That's okay.
You need to share your clothes with him.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Well, I'm not wearing them right. I don't wear them right.
So you're okay to share your clothes with him?
Yeah.
You're gonna be a good big
as
brother?
long as I have clothes.
You're gonna be a good big brother?
Yes, I'm gonna be a very good big brother. But usually I'm just gonna be playing Flappy Bird and trying to get to 999.
Okay, tell how do you say his name? Jahari?
Ajari.
Ajari, tell him later.
What is Ajahri?
Okay, tell him hi and you'll talk to him later.
What do you mean?
Say bye.
Bye. I'm still happy for him to come home.
He soon come.
Tomorrow?
Yeah. Because he has to stay at the hospital for 1 day.
So today, so it's morning now? Yeah. He's coming tomorrow. Ajari will be born. Ajari is born.
You have to